Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have Telegram, now move fast. Open a chat with the Stickers bot or go to settings, right arrow stickers and masks to start a pack. Prepare each image at 512 x 512 pixels, PNG with transparency, and keep files under 512 KB so Telegram accepts them. Once ready, tell the bot you want a new pack, give it a clear pack name, and be ready to upload images sequentially. This sets the foundation. Make sure your images match Telegram specs to avoid upload errors. You'll now build the pack step by step. Send /newpack to the Stickers bot and provide a concise pack name, then upload your first PNG file. After each upload, assign one emoji that represents the sticker. This helps search. Continue uploading all files in sequence. Once done, send /publish. Pick a short pack URL so others can add it easily. If you change your mind, use the pack settings to reorder, add, or remove stickers later, which keeps the pack tidy and usable. You're almost done. Now use and share the pack. Open the pack link or go to pack settings and tap add to import it, then simply tap any sticker to send it in chat. Sign into the same Telegram account on other devices to sync your packs automatically. If a sticker fails to send, update the app, confirm PNG format and less or equal to 512 KB size, and try re-uploading. If problems persist, recreate the pack through Stickers. That usually resolves corrupt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.